My name is Leroy Pinkney Jr. I spent 20 plus years in operations. I am a United States Army veteran. I was born and raised in Harlem, New York, and right now I am unemployed. 28,000, almost 29,000 people follow me right now on LinkedIn. Let that sit for a second. I got laid off on a Tuesday in March of 2026. There was no warning. There was no severance conversation. Just done. And instead of going quiet, I went loud. I wrote a post about it. 300 and almost 75,000 impressions in the first week when this post was posted. People kept saying, man, you're crushing it. And I'm thinking, I'm crushing it with no steady paycheck. But here's what I learned. Momentum doesn't care about your bank account. You build it anyway. You show up anyway. You post anyway. Because the right person is watching. And they don't care that you're between roles. They care that you kept moving when it would have been so easy for you to stop. So yeah, 28,000 plus thousand people are watching a man who is still in the fight. And I wouldn't have it any other way. Once again, my name is Leroy Pinkney Jr. I am the founder and creator of Lead Like a Lion. If this resonates with you, please like and subscribe. I post pretty often. I would love to connect with you soon. Thank you and have a blessed day.